This slide is called "Let Me Water the Plants." This is a fantastic psychological experiment that was done in, of all places, a nursing home. And I have to warn you, if you're watching this video at this moment, this video will spoil the outcome of the slide. So, if you have not done so yet, first read the slide, answer the questions, and then come back to the video, because I will spoil it for you at this moment. The key question that psychologists asked were, what is the relationship between control of one's environment and one's overall health? They ran a simple experiment. Patients in a nursing home were given the same thing in two different groups. Group A and B both had plants in their room and volunteers to come visit. Group A could water their own plants and they could schedule the volunteer time. Group B could not water the plants, and Group B was told when the volunteers would come. Well, what happened? Tragically, it turned out the experiment had to be terminated a bit early. The results were weirder than expected. The patients in Group B, the group that did not have control, they began to die off faster. Let me repeat that because this is very significant, especially for the patients in Group B. The patients in Group B began to die faster on average. And this was a large sample size of the population. What's even more interesting is what happened when the experiment was stopped. When the experiment was stopped, the mortality rate in Group A became even bigger than Group B. Two very important lessons emerged, and there's one very important lesson when it comes to how we manage innovation. The two lessons were this. We have to always look at control in the context of one's hidden and personal world. For the people in that nursing home, their entire universe was their room. The second lesson is that giving someone control and then taking it away is substantially worse psychologically than never having had it in the first place. From the perspective of innovation management, the issue of control is critical for employees to be effective innovators. They have to, at the level of their own hidden, small, internal office and their large internal world, they have to have the chance to fully control that environment.